Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn geometry nodes. Geometry nodes are a powerful addition to Blender, allowing you to create complex and dynamic three-dimensional scenes. They operate through a node-based system, where you connect different functions to transform inputs into desired outputs. This procedural approach means your creations are non-destructive, offering immense flexibility to adjust and refine your designs at any stage. It's a fantastic way to build intricate models and animations with remarkable control. To build a solid foundation, begin by understanding the core concepts. The group input and group output nodes define the start and end of your node tree, managing data flow. Practice basic transformations such as moving, rotating, and scaling objects using their respective nodes. Instancing copies of objects and creating scattering systems are also excellent starting points. For more advanced control, a basic understanding of vector math, including dot and cross products, will prove incredibly valuable. Practical application is key to mastering geometry nodes. Begin with straightforward projects, like creating a simple scattering system for pebbles or procedural grass, which teaches fundamental principles. Download and examine example files from the Blender website. Dissecting how others build their node trees offers great insight. Actively rebuild setups from tutorials, focusing on why each node is used. Don't be afraid to experiment and combine nodes in new ways to discover creative solutions. Once you have the basics down, delve into advanced techniques. Explore custom variables to manage complex data and investigate advanced procedural modeling methods like sign distance field or SDF workflows. Leverage official resources such as Blender Studio's geometry nodes from scratch training. Additionally, many talented creators like Arendelle and Ryan King Art offer extensive tutorials on YouTube, covering everything from beginner to highly advanced topics. Continuous learning and experimentation will unlock the full potential of geometry nodes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.